everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video we are here on Tagaytay, Nasugbu Highway. So ayan, nag-car tayo going to this property. Meron tayo ngayon na new property natin na i-open, 314 square meter, clean title, ready for transfer. Andito lang yung landmark guys, Merben, Tapsilogan, ayan siya. Tapos the property is overlooking view of Taal. So we are planning to build this one. Ito po sa gilid. So all in siya guys for only 20 million. Tapos free transfer title na din po, and we will include the house. And then there's a car park. So I will show it to you. Maglalakad tayo. So this one is accessible by car or motorcycle or public transport dahil marami pong mga bus dito. Meron ding bangko, ayan. So may mga pasalubong. So ang landmark, Merben Tapsilogan. Ayan. So ayan guys, yung Merben Tapsilogan. And then yung properties nandito lang sa tabi. So overlooking siya. Ang plano natin guys is the property itself is dimensions po niya ay 35 meters by 9 meters. And then we are planning to build for the house is 20 meters by 9 meters. And then for the parking area niya naman is 15 meters by 9 meters. So ayan siya. Ito yung Merbens, ayan. Yun yung papunta ng Twin Lakes dyan. So dito lang tayo guys, kakanan lang. Ayan. So kasya dito 2 cars, 2-way po yan, kalsada from the highway. So perfect to guys if you are planning to have a property for Airbnb, investment. Na, ito guys oh. Look at this paradise. Yan siya guys oh. Alright. Ayan oh, overlooking yan na mismo yung Taal guys oh. Ayan siya oh. Oh ayan yung Taal Lake. Tapos ayan yung Taal. Ayan oh, kita nyo ba? Ayan siya, teka ayusin natin. Ayan guys oh, ayan yung Taal. Ayan. Tapos ito yung property. Andyan oh, ayan oh. 35 meters. Pataas po yan dyan by 9 meters. Ayan. So ayan oh. Ayan yung Merben Tapsilogan. Okay. So bababa tayo. Pakita ko sa inyo yung property. So ang ganda sa kanya guys is very slope siya. Overlooking talaga siya. Tapos ito may daan dito. Ayan. Marami ring mga kapitbahay. May linya ng kuryente, may linya ng tubig. So ayan siya. Ayan, kung makikita nyo guys, so, ito na mismo yung lot. Nandiyan na yung simula. Taas pababa yan, 35 meters. So ang total is 314 square meter clean title. Okay, so this is where we'll be building the house and the parking, no? So yan, napakaganda. So bakit siya 20 million lang? 'Di ba normally pag overlooking mga 25 to 30 million. So ang target natin is that for investors magkaroon sila ng affordable property na pwede for business and at the same time for retirement. So yeah, ayun yung Taal Lake. So ito na mismo yung lot guys ha. Ayun, nandiyan na yan. So yan, grassland siya, kung makikita nyo. Ayan siya. Oops. Okay, ayan siya. Kung makikita nyo yung sloping, ayan siya mismo. Alright, andun mamaya papakita. Yung papaya na yan, yan, 9 meters by 35 meters. So dito natin gagawin yung 20 by 9 meters na house dito. So doon lang yung highway. Tapos dito natin gagawin yung parking 15 ang taas, tapos 9 meters. Para buhos siya. Meron dito yung mismong daan, ile-level natin yung parking para diyan kayo magpa-park. Tapos meron siyang basement. Tapos yung dito naman sa 20 by 9 meters, dito naman ang gagawin natin yung house is this one. Ganyan yung design. So yung floor area, ang target natin is around 200 square meter. Okay. So syempre pag sinama mo yung parking, 250 na yan. Okay. So ito na. Yan yung overlooking natin na view. Itong mangga pwede natin putulin para overlooking talaga kayo sa Taal. Yan siya. So ito pala guys, ang terms dito, down payment is for only 5 million. Tapos we will make the house and the improvements. So it will take us around 5 months. So 5 million, tapos pay kayo na every month 1 million, 1 million, 1 million, 1 million hanggang matapos siya. 5th month turnover, tapos 10 million na yung total nyo na bayad. Tapos pay na kayo ng 8 million pag na-turnover natin. So total nyo is 18 million na. So deed of sale signing, turnover, and then yung 2 million remaining is tsaka naman natin, tsaka nyo naman need bayaran kapag ito transfer naman yung title sa inyo. So ayan, ito yung simula guys, yung papaya. Ayan. So ayan, overlooking niya pag pinutol nyo yung mangga, tsaka yung avocado. Tingnan nyo yung avocado na to, ayan oh. Sobrang daming bunga. Ayan guys oh. Kung makikita nyo, ang lalaki ng bunga ng avocado. Ayan oh. Tapos, ayan, ang dami niyan guys. And then ito na mismo yung lot. Ayan. Diyan natin gagawin yung parking dito. Tapos dun sa taas yung house para overlooking talaga. Tapos dito guys, may house din dito na mga, ayan, target din nila overlooking. Pag yung mga ganitong house naman, naabot na ng mga 35 million. Ayan. So, ayan, nandito guys ha. Ayan oh. Diyan na yung taal ha. Ayan, overlooking yan. So, ayan, ito yung avocado plant. So, dito sa puno ng papaya guys, mayroon ditong daan tao. Pwede ka bumaba para masilip mo yung property. Ayan o. Ayan na mismo yung lot. Ayan. Pag ganyan yung sloping niya guys. Ayan siya. Ayan. Ayan doon yung Merben Stop Silogan. Ito naman yung mga hotel-hotel. So ayan. Ito siya guys. Mayroon na yan dito eh. Bali, clean title siya. 9 meters dyan pa highway. Pag ganyan. Tapos 35 meters naman doon. Ayan. So ayan. Napakaganda no. Overlooking guys. May isa kayong kapitbahay doon. Ayan. So ayun guys, if you are interested on this property, ayan, message nyo lang ako. Hindi lang napagpalipad ng drone dito pero super overlooking to guys. And this one is one of the best properties here on Tagaytay. So yun lang guys, ito ulit yung magiging design ng house natin, ang ating plan in this property. So yun. Thanks for watching and see you in the next vlog guys. Bye bye. Overlooking view guys. Ayan yung Taal. Ayan yung Taal Lake. Ayan yung property. Andun lang. Ito yung Merben's. Tapos Silogan.